Hey everyone, and welcome to Brain Quizzy. In this video, you will face 25 questions about different animals and their amazing facts. You will have 5 seconds to answer each question by saying true or false. Are you ready to prove your animal knowledge? Let's start. A polar bear's fur is transparent. True or false? True. A polar bear's fur is actually made of hollow, clear hairs that reflect light, making them appear white. A group of owls is called a parliament. True or false? True. Owls are known for their wisdom and intelligence, so a group of them is fittingly called a parliament. A lion's roar can be heard from 8 kilometers away. True or false? True. A lion's roar is one of the loudest sounds made by any animal. It can reach up to 114 decibels, which is louder than a jet engine. A jellyfish is 95% water. True or false? True. A jellyfish has a simple body structure that consists of a bell-shaped dome and trailing tentacles. It has no bones, brain, heart, or blood. It is mostly made of water, with only 5% of its body being solid matter. A camel's hump stores water. True or false? False. A camel's hump stores fat, not water. The fat provides energy and insulation for the camel when it travels long distances in the desert. A zebra's stripes are unique, like human fingerprints. True or false? True. Zebras have different patterns of black and white stripes that help them camouflage and identify each other. No two zebras have exactly the same stripes. A koala is a bear. True or false? False. Koalas are not bears, but marsupials, which are mammals that have pouches where they carry their young. Koalas are more closely related to kangaroos, wombats, and possums than to bears. A porcupine can shoot its quills at predators. True or false? False. Porcupines cannot shoot their quills, but they can detach them easily when they are touched. The quills have barbs that make them hard to remove once they are embedded in the skin of the attacker. A woodpecker can peck 20 times per second. True or false? True. A woodpecker can peck up to 20 times per second, or 1,1200 times per minute, when it is searching for food or making a nest. It can do this without hurting its brain, thanks to its thick skull, shock-absorbing beak, and special muscles. A rhinoceros's horn is made of hair. True or false? True. A rhino's horn is not a true horn, but a mass of keratin, the same protein that makes up hair and nails. The horn grows from the skin and is not attached to the skull. A flamingo can only eat when its head is upside down. True or false? True. Flamingos have a specialized beak that filters food from the water. They hold their head upside down and use their tongue to pump water in and out of their mouth, trapping algae, crustaceans, and other food items. A giraffe has the same number of neck vertebrae as a human. True or false? True. Giraffes and humans both have 7 cervical vertebrae, or neck bones. However, a giraffe's vertebrae are much larger and longer, measuring up to 25 centimeters each. A penguin can fly. True or false? False. Penguins are flightless birds that have adapted to life in the water. Their wings are modified into flippers that help them swim and dive. They can reach speeds of up to 36 kilometers per hour underwater, but they cannot fly in the air. A hedgehog has 5,000 spines. True or false? False. A hedgehog has about 7,000 spines or quills on its back and sides. The spines are modified hairs that are made of keratin, the same substance that makes up human nails. The spines help protect the hedgehog from predators and parasites. A honeybee can recognize human faces. True or false? True. Honeybees have a remarkable ability to learn and remember visual patterns, such as flowers, landmarks, and even human faces. They can distinguish between different faces by using the same mechanism that humans do, which is to break down the image into features and compare them. A kangaroo can't hop backward. True or false? True. Kangaroos have large, powerful hind legs and long, muscular tails that help them balance and steer when they hop. However, their anatomy prevents them from hopping backwards, as they would lose stability and fall over. A dolphin can sleep with one eye open. True or false? True. A dolphin can sleep with one eye open because it sleeps with only half of its brain at a time. This is called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, and it allows the dolphin to remain alert, breathe, and avoid predators. The dolphin alternates between sleeping with its left and right brain, and its eye movements follow accordingly. A dragonfly has a lifespan of 1 day. True or false? False. A dragonfly has a lifespan of several months, depending on the species and the environment. However, most of its life is spent as a nymph, an aquatic larva that lives in ponds and streams. It only emerges as an adult dragonfly for a few weeks, then it dies. A gorilla can catch a cold from a human. True or false? True. Gorillas are closely related to humans, sharing about 98% of their DNA. They can catch some of the same diseases that humans can, such as colds, flu, and even COVID-19. A chameleon can change its color to match any background. True or false? False. A chameleon can change its color, but not to match any background. It can only switch between a limited range of colors such as green, brown, yellow, and blue. It changes its color mainly to regulate its body temperature, communicate with other chameleons, and express its mood. A cheetah can run faster than a Ferrari. True or false? False. A cheetah is the fastest land animal, capable of reaching speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour. However, a Ferrari can go much faster, up to 340 kilometers per hour. A cheetah can only maintain its top speed for a short distance, while a Ferrari can sustain it for longer. A starfish has no brain. True or false? True. Starfish have a simple nervous system that consists of a nerve ring and radial nerves, but no central brain. They can sense light, touch, temperature, and chemicals, and coordinate their movements using their nerves. A toucan's beak is the same length as its body. True or false? False. A toucan's beak is very large, but not as large as its body. The beak is about 1/3 to half the length of the body, depending on the species. The beak is not heavy, as it is made of hollow bones and keratin. A crocodile can stick out its tongue. True or false? False. Crocodiles have a membrane that holds their tongue to the roof of their mouth. This prevents them from choking when they catch their prey underwater. A mosquito has 47 teeth. True or false? True. A mosquito has a mouthpart called a proboscis, which consists of 6 thin needles that pierce the skin and suck blood. Each needle has tiny serrated edges that act like teeth, and there are 47 of them in total. That's all for our animal quiz. Did you enjoy it? I hope you had fun and learned something new about the amazing creatures that share our planet. Tell me your score in the comments. And please like, share, and subscribe to Brain Quizzy for more quizzes. See you soon. I appreciate your time and attention for watching my video all the way through. To show my gratitude, here is a bonus clip that is sure to make you smile.